So some terminology here. This is the shape that I have active, and because I have it active, there's like a blue square around it. This blue square is called a bounding box. It's showing you all the contents within that box. And then some other things, these little handles right here, the technical name is called an anchor. And I can change those anchors. So if I use the second button down, has a white caret on it or a white triangle, this allows me to take one of these anchors and I click on it once, and then I can change the shape with these handles, or I can click and hold on it and I can drag this anchor someplace else. So it's no longer perfect a circle. So let me do that one more time. If I click on the anchor, I get these handles, but if I click and hold a second time on the anchor, I can manipulate it and move it someplace else. But sometimes I have, like, there's only two anchors here, but I'd like something here in the middle. So to add another anchor, the third one down might be on the pen tool. So it depends on what you see, but I want to, it has a triangle in the corner, so I know that there's another tool, and I want that anchor point tool because I'm working with anchors. So to add an anchor here, I want to hit the plus on the keyboard. In that plus, now my mouse turns so it has a little plus, I can add an anchor point. So now I have this additional anchor point that I can manipulate and try to change and morph the shape and change my shape to make it look like it's something else. I can also delete that anchor point. So I'm going to go back to my anchor point tool, hit the minus key. My mouse now has a little minus symbol there. So I can take this anchor point and click on it, and it now deletes that anchor point. So with this tool, I can hit the plus key and add anchor points. So on my keyboard, I just hit the plus. I can click on my path and add an anchor point. I can adjust it with the white selection tool. This is called the direct selection tool. And I can also delete that anchor point by going back to my anchor points, hit the minus, and click on that. So now I can morph these shapes. These shapes that were perfect rectangles and circles and ovals and stars, I can do different things with these to refine the drawings that I am creating in Illustrator.